Welcome to ChinaSecurities.com and Chinese Stocks TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press release of the Chinese small and mid-cap space every morning at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next trade Chinese investments. Wednesday, June the 8th, as you can see, I'm in Vancouver, so my apologies not having a show over the past couple of days, but we've been here for a pretty big conference. I've got one press release for you today. It's out of China Armco Metals, trades on the Amex under CNAM. They're announcing their preliminary unaudited numbers for the first 2 months of the second quarter. I've hardly ever seen this. In fact, I'm probably going to say this is the first time I've ever seen it. But it's an indication, as I've always said, when companies put up preliminary numbers, it means they want to get results, good results. They're happy with results, and they want to get them out. They want to get them out to the marketplace as soon as possible, and not have to force the market to wait for the quarter, which may be announced in another 60 days or so. So here are the numbers. They announced for the first 2 months, they sold 25,000 metric tons of recycled steel products to 3 customers. That generated $14 million in revenue they've recognized from the recycled steel business. 80% of that tonnage was from pre-sold contracts. I like that. It means that they've got the customers lined up and they're not necessarily waiting for the orders to come in. That's always a good sign. In addition to that $14 million, they also recorded $7.1 million in revenue for the metal ore trading business. If you haven't guessed it, this company is in the business of distributing imported metal ore. They're also a metal recycler with a new state-of-the-art scrap metal recycling facility in China. They closed yesterday $1.60. 52-week low, $1.38. So they're pretty much there. And as we all know, babies are being thrown out with the bathwater as a result of a lot of these Chinese reverse merger fraud situations. Everyone's getting whacked. I believe this is going to open the door to tremendous, tremendous profit opportunities. If you can do your due diligence and make some determinations here, I like companies like China Armco. I like companies like China ACM. Take a look at the blog on ChinaSecurities.com where I've listed a bunch of companies that I think are cheap right now. There's potential to make huge upsides. There's a 52-week high in this company at 472. So they're off by pretty much 2/3 or 67%, and they got a market cap of just $24 million. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity. I've only got one piece of news for you today, but we don't fill it with filler. If you look for other companies that we've covered over the past few days, take a look to my right. That's where we've got all the best headlines coming out of this space over the past few days. We've been separated by industry for you. Otherwise, get stuff into the directory. We're covering about 250 of what we believe to be the best Chinese small mid-cap companies out there. Take a look at those, filter them by industry and or exchange, and hopefully find the one that best suits your portfolio. That's a wrap. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.